Ever wondered where Apple, the technological titan, could possibly go next? What new innovation will they introduce to their already impressive lineup of products? The story of Apple's product development is a thrilling journey of innovation and transformation. It all began in the late 70s with the introduction of the Apple I, a desktop computer that marked the dawn of a technological revolution. This was quickly followed by the release of the Apple II in 1977, a product that became a household name and cemented Apple's reputation as a leading innovator. The 80s brought about the Macintosh, a computer that introduced the world to the graphical user interface. Fast forward to the new millennium and we have the iPod, an invention that redefined the way we listen to music. Then in 2007, Apple unveiled the iPhone, a groundbreaking product that transformed the mobile phone industry. It's hard to imagine a world without our beloved smartphones, isn't it? But Apple didn't stop there. The company continued to innovate, introducing the iPad in 2010, followed by the Apple Watch in 2015, and most recently, the HomePod in 2018. So, what's next on the horizon for Apple? It's anyone's guess, but some speculate that Apple could venture into augmented reality with the release of AR glasses. Others believe that a foldable iPhone could be in the works. The possibilities are endless and the anticipation is palpable. To summarize, the journey of Apple's product development is a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation. From the Apple I to the iPhone, the iPad, and beyond, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in technology. And as we look to the future, one thing is certain. Whatever Apple has in store for us, it's bound to be nothing short of revolutionary.